D.M.E coming hard like that. It's a vibe train. When we're insane. Oh Lord, have mercy. Champion. Boy with a country brand, I sang it down with a force I have. I'm coming through with a rolling thunder. Whenever the mic, I'm a crusader. Country boy with a country brand, I sang it down with a force I have. I'm coming through with a rolling thunder. Whenever the mic, I'm a crusader. Run for the mic, I'm a backbreaker. Hit for the mic and the undertaker. Into the gate, I see you later. Off on one, I'm back to breaker. Into the gate, I'm rolling over. Run the mic, I'm a steamroller. Get for the mic, I'm coming in over. Bring the further, bring the power. I just run with the power. D.M.E for the power. Oh shit! Let's get it!
Boogie woogie.
Who wanna come? Who wanna get it? D.M.E.
Do you want to know what I think?
So weak when it comes to dawn. Make no mistake, we quick to the draw. Quicker to the trigger, I pull my trigger quicker. Fly like a snake with my fingers on the trigger. I get iller than the green car. Slide to the side with my side, I'm quicker. Automatic, every day attack it, I am rapid. Sick of your mind, Skimatik, erratic, ecstatic, I grab it and have it. Snap like elastic when I spin with your back. Rapid and rapid, I attack it, I'm manic. With the force that I manage, running and coming, you know I'm flashing like a dozer. I just fell down, I'm not a fucking poser. Time for destruction when you're feeling my trigger. I'm the hunter, bigger to tiger. Bring the raw. Bring the war. This is war. D.M.E coming hardcore. Right down. Listen. Oh shit.
Bad from me.
Nobody better than him. Shit, what? First of July, let's get it. Just clap back, no life lost. It's an acceptable fact. Don't matter if you're white, brown or black. We all breathe red. Then that's a fact. Just stand up and rise up. We're all in it together. Some wanna hate, but you know that ain't clever. Hot in the weather, come in the weather. Ready for the revolution. Oh shit! Brand spanking new D.M.E original remix bootleg. This is literally just being made with a little bit of luck. We don't fuss and fight. Holy shit, Stitch Batman, we're bringing this one back again. Yes, D.M.E throwing down originals, you know what it is. Looks like we're going to follow it with Cthulhu. More originals. Got so many originals in the back. We can make it through the night. With a little bit of luck, we can make it through the night. With a little bit of luck, we can make it through the night. With a little bit of luck, we can make it through the night. With a little bit of luck, we can make it through the night. With a little bit of luck, blah 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 blah. Oh, fuck yeah, we're gonna go to Amsterdam in September, get high as a motherfucker. Get it, kidder. Big up all my shit, red family, educate, keep kidder costs. Got turbulence, big up all the old school crew. Red tap. Take it back. Oh shit. Coming hard like that. Pop, 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 pop. When I'm coming, when I'm run off, listen to the game. When I'm gun off. With the click, click, banger. Come around the microphone, I swing my hammer. Grab the microphone, I'm running with the band. Man, jammer, it's a mad D.M.E. It's a mad D.M.E. Run harder, run faster. Come longer, styles get stronger. Run harder, run faster. Styles bring long, we come longer.
Because only one person has the pom-pom.
The pom-pom.
Pom-pom rule.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh around town. D.M.E throwing down. Some say he's the pound strongest in the town. I don't say it's supposed so I say definitely. My man got more power than 25 horses. Let's get it, Lee, let's get it. Running with the madman, Mr. D.M.E. You know what it is, what it always will be. Be who you wanna be, don't wanna be. It's a message that we wanna see. Oh shit, come around, you've been coming up in here, what? Oh shit, oh no. Come around, you we rock up. That's the fun that we can get a smash up. It's a good day, you're back up. Coming, running. But that tune sounds like it's out of fucking time with itself. You know what I'm saying? Holy shit, Sticks! We're coming into the last 2 motherfucking minutes of this. Where's the time go? brother. That is the hour, bang on the dot. We don't want to get in trouble with the bosses of pirates. Thank you very much. I have been Skimatik. My man D.M.E throws down.
Damn, those guys too quick.